Give a mama goal. Move. Mama need a goal. Mama need a goal.
I saved it, you see?
Mama need a goal.
Mom is the strongest.
Mama need the strongest. Mama need a goal.
I saved it again.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, you save it?
Yeah.
You save it, Baba?
I saved it again. Do you think I'm easy? No, you see? Give honey plant for mommy. Daddy try to go like at least and say, wait, I want to make goal to daddy. Wait.
Don't break your leg.
You can. Oh. Oh, careful. Give me. You give me for me for daddy. Why you don't take a stick? The better. You won't hurt me if you plan it, I know that. Sun is again.
Move. Okay.
Yeah, good boy. Give to mommy.
Okay, don't come.
Maybe goal. No, not in kitchen. Maybe goal there. Wait. Slow. You think this is studio? This is not the studio. We put moving our door, but.
Oh, thank you. Kick. No hand. Oh, goal. Two
Be
goal.
careful my glass.
Papi, you don't come either. Not good. Nice. No.
You tired?
He's tired. It's good. Football is good. Playing football is good for your leg. You know?
Yeah. At the park, when Corona is over, we go park and play.
A goal by.
Yeah, that's goal. That means goal.